Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Mammee Bay and we're giving you a tour of the Tropix Mammee Bay development. Now, by looking at this structure, you might think it's a hotel, but it's not. It's actually a luxury residential building. And that's the new trend now, especially on the North Coast, is you have these buildings that look like hotels, but they're actually residential buildings, but luxury residential buildings that have somewhat, I'm not sure if this one is that example, but they have all the amenities like a hotel, but you own the property and you live there. But this model is very popular on the North Coast and it seems to be doing very well. The Pinnacle, the Swallowtail, the first of the four towers, just reached 28 floors and it's based on this same model of residential, luxury residential buildings. And there's another one there are actually two others in Montego Bay that offer the same kind of service, and these are high-rise towers. So in the background, that is a hotel, that's Sandals Duns River. Very nice structure. And Mammee Bay is right between Ocho Rios and Draxall on the north coast, and it's one of the fastest growing areas in Jamaica, and especially on the north coast. Actually, across the road from here, they are doing a $1 billion development, the Boot 2 development, which is a commercial center. And further down by the roundabout, you have China have an engineering company doing a multi-billion-dollar development that's going to have over 800 units in it. This one we're looking at, this building is 24 units. So we're going to give you an update as to what is happening here at the Tropics. The construction of Tropix Mammee Bay marks one of the newest luxury residential developments along the north coast of Jamaica. Located in Mammee Bay, St. Anne, the project is designed as a small but high-end community of about 24 modern apartments built directly along the coastline. And before we continue, in the background, that's Draxall. That is the fastest growing community, or fastest growing area in Jamaica. Thousands of homes like what you're looking at in the background. The development focuses on clean, contemporary architecture with wide balconies and large glass openings that take advantage of the ocean views. Construction work on the project has centered on creating a strong concrete structure suited for the coastal environment, where buildings must withstand salt, air, and heavy tropical weather. The developers incorporated modern features such as elevators, rooftop entertainment areas, an infinity pool, a gym, standby generator, water storage, and 24-hour security. These amenities reflect the shift toward upscale coastal living now popular across St. Anne. Its location just minutes from the North-South Highway makes Tropics easily accessible while still offering beachfront peace and privacy. The project adds to the wave of construction happening in Mammee Bay, where new hotels, villas, and residential complexes continue to reshape the area. Overall, the construction of Tropix Mammee Bay represents a growing demand for luxury, secure, and scenic real estate options on Jamaica's north coast. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.